so we're gonna bleed the clutch. The clutch, you don't even have the engine in place. Well, that's alright. Clutch is all there. The slave cylinder just needs to be attached. We're gonna start off by just gravity bleeding it. So, crack the nipple open. Oh, it's tight. Ah, very tight. There it goes. And now we wait until it starts dripping out. Yeah, it's an awfully long line. Maybe this is going to be too slow. So, push down on the clutch pedal and close it up. Lift up. Push down, open it up. There's a pop of air came out of it. So we're moving fluid. That's good. Yep, there it's dripping. So, have to be careful now. Pump it again under pressure. It will blow the piston out of the slave cylinder. So we're gonna put the pin back in it. So the idea is that you use your clamp to hold the piston down. Then, as you pump it, you'll be able to get the air out. That's the theory. I haven't tried this before. I guess it's a little bit like the brakes. It should build up pressure against the force of the clamp. Well, I'd say it built up pressure. I have to find everywhere it squirted besides on me. That seemed to work. Oh wow, it feels like a clutch. More air. I think that did it. I think that's solid. Good. Happy with that. I think we have a working clutch. Yeah, you can see it move. Trying to move the clamp there. I think that's going to move. I think it's going to work well.